So here I am, back at it in the dump truck today. Sorry about the camera shot there. Just set my brakes because I'm in construction, road construction, sitting here. Got places to go, people to see, and dirt to haul. And I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. We're in Florida. This is 87, State Route 87. Oh my neck, oh my neck. And they're paving. And apparently in Florida, when they do road construction, paving, they have to pave, I don't know, like 20 miles at a time, which I find to be a little ridiculous. But that's the way they like to do it. So let me show you what we're doing. So there you go. This is what I get to look at. That's what I'm staring at today. And I will probably make a new video later to show you what I've actually accomplished today, assuming I get out of this road construction. So stay tuned.